My clients came to me with an overthinking mind, and this is what I did. I asked them to sit down, get a piece of paper that's A4, put a line straight down the middle, and on the left side, put just some of the overthinking thoughts that take them away from being present or take them into a headspace where it feels unsettled in their body, and to start writing down what some of those thoughts were. It can be as simple as, at the moment I think about money, I go to fear and I go to a panic. The moment I think about my children's well-being, I go to panic. Yeah. So whatever that left column is, it's where the overthinking mind can, the moment I think about the job and the project that I have to do and the people that I have to see and the conversations I have to do, this is what happens to me. So it's important that you state where the overthinking goes, especially if there's a feeling behind it. It makes me agitated, frustrated, shortness of breath, whatever symptoms or feelings that you notice, to state that. And then on the right side, we're going to list your resources. Things that help you to recalibrate, such as dance, movement, breath, being out in nature. Things that are very simple, but help you to come back to self, to help you to go from up here and drop into your body and to connect from this place, because you're not just a head, you've got way more. And the more we feel disconnected, the more we go to an overthinking mind, overanalyzing and overstressing, and then eventually it will become overwhelm. So to be able to connect to more of who you are, more than just your overthinking mind, then doing these simple movements such as dance or whatever exercises you may do, or long walks in nature or being in nature, is going to create a difference, simply because you're changing, aspects of your environment, or you're changing what it is you're doing by giving it something else that's resourceful. For me, my dog in Australia, I just play with my dog and we roll around, and I am transported away from the overthinking mind, and I'm in presence with the dog. And the same with kids, same with many different resources, gardening, for some people it's even cooking. Just to get your head out of the swell is really important. And that means in order to get out of the swell of the overthinking mind, we have to counter it on that list with something else that helps us to step out of it. And my favorite one that works for me is contact. Just to be held, receive contact. Even if it's hands or an embrace, something inside of me just comes right back into my body, and this busy radio station that's non-stop starts to set on. I start to take deeper breaths. I start to connect to my body. Okay, I'm here, I'm back again. If you found this video to be beneficial for yourself or anyone you love, please share it or drop us a like. Thanks for watching, and we see you at the next one.